Welcome to Photoshop Killer Tips, brought to you by the National Association of Photoshop Professionals. Here's your host, Matt Kloskowski.
You'll find that there's a slight issue with the drop shadow layer style that doesn't make it usable sometimes, but I want to show you a workaround here. So I'm going to add a drop shadow here. Just double click that layer. Let's choose drop shadow. I can move it around. I can change the size, which is basically kind of like blurring it. All right. And then I can drop the opacity here. Let's hit OK. Now, I don't want the drop shadow behind him. I want it under him. One of the ways that you can make that happen is, let's just kind of extend this window out to the left so you can see. I'm going to right click on that little drop shadow icon, choose create layer. Notice what it does here. Let's bring the window back out. All right. It created a brand new layer called layer 1's drop shadow. Now I can take this, I can move it around, I can go into free transform, and I can scale it down. Hold down your command key on the Mac, control key on a PC. I can move this thing around and just kind of position it wherever you need to. Okay. And by holding down command or control, you can skew it a little bit and you can make that drop shadow appear as if it's kind of just going on the ground, and then drop the opacity a little bit more. So you now get a more usable drop shadow from the layer style instead of having to create your own.